Hey guys, what's up? It's the Jello King here, and yeah, no Dishonored video right now, because my recording messed up of this Dishonored video, and we're not doing a Let's Play video either. What we are doing instead is I'm giving you a short little tutorial kind of video on a Tekkit server I am playing on, classic Tekkit server, which the link to the IP of that server will be in the description. But what this is it's a Computercraft program tutorial, kind of. And I'm going to be showing you through a few programs that I have made, which I'll start off with. Just since I've got it on this computer, I'll start off with the login program. So login, you just put in the login, which in this case is Jello. You hit enter, asks you for the password, redstone, welcome Jello, and it says please enter a command. And now this is a perfect time to show you the fix I made, which I guess in classic Tekkit servers at least, all of the Computercraft script for rebooting the computer is broken. So I typed up a fix for it, a program to kind of fix that, which I've got all of these on disks. So right here we'll just type reboot. Running reboot fixed by Jello King, shutting down. It starts up. Which is not a technical reboot, but it does the same thing as a reboot. But also, by the way, it says protected by DJ King Security V1. But so it does like pretty much the same thing that a reboot does. Works for the same reason. It clears everything, but it saves your history for what you have typed, which all that I typed before was reboot. Well, let's say I type eject. There's no disk to eject, but eject, bottom, nothing, bottom drive, DJ, no disk, you know, all of that stuff, and then we type reboot. Then it comes up, Jello, redstone, and then we've still got all of that history, which is a cool little side effect. So let's shut that down real quick. So now there's also something. I'm going to give you a short little tutorial on. That's not right. That's fake. Yep. Okay. Glitches. Anyways, I'm going to give you a short little tutorial on how to write a virus and an antivirus. A really simple one. So this is a completely vanilla terminal. It doesn't have any extra programs in it. No edited programs. So we are going to, so the way we make the virus is we're going to type edit startup. And startup is the file that runs when you start up the computer. So we're just going to say we want it to wait for 1 second. So sleep 1. So it just waits and doesn't do anything for 1 second. Then we are going to do text utils dot slow print. The P in slow print has to be capital. It will not work otherwise. Then open bracket, quotation mark, you have been infected. Alright. quotation mark, close bracket. Then hit enter, sleep for 2 seconds, so they have plenty of time to read that. And then os dot shutdown, and then open bracket, close bracket. Now, if we click save, then exit, then let's shut it down. So we open it back up. It's going to say you have been infected, and it's going to shut down. Now, you can terminate programs that are running in Computercraft in the computer with Control-T, but because this is the startup program, you can't terminate it. So there's nothing you can do but break the computer and place it back without writing a program. Which, if you had important programs in your computer, you know, that would destroy all the programs too. So, I've got an antivirus program here, but we're just going to make one real quick. We'll do it right here on this. Oh. Put it in this computer's disk drive. And we are going to type edit disk, so it's going to select the disk and the whatever drive is hooked up to it, / startup. And when you have a disk in a when you have a floppy disk in a drive that's connected to a computer, that computer will automatically boot off of whatever that disk says, whatever that disk's startup file is. So we're just going to print out, print antivirus activated all potential antivirus activated. Sorry guys, I'm pretty tired right now. It's like 2:30 in the morning. Sleep 1. Nope. Open bracket 1, close bracket. And we'll also do a little sleep up here, just because some people don't like it, but I kind of do. It's only 1, so it's not very much at all. And then print all potential startup viruses have been disabled. Let's get rid of that P in there. Alright, so I also like to put in a little thing on my antivirus program that I put down. I also put in a thing down here that says, you know, how to make sure it stays permanent, you know, how to fix it, and how to protect your computer by buying my program on the server, which is a lock program that I showed you earlier. But anyways, so we're just going to save that and exit. We'll just do a quick little label set, let's see, right, antivirus. Alright, so we'll just shut down this computer. And there we go, it's called antivirus. So there's nothing in here. If we start up this computer, it still says you have been infected, and it closes it, and there's nothing we can do about it. So we put in the antivirus, and then we're going to start up the computer. Antivirus activated, all potential startup viruses have been disabled. And you know what? We'll actually edit this a bit more. Edit disk / startup. And whoa. Alright, that's not what I wanted to do. So we'll go down here and we'll sleep for 2 seconds so they can read that. And then we will do shell dot run, no space, clear. So that's going to run the clear program, which, if you're not familiar with that, does that. And then print CraftOS 1.3. So it looks like it the main screen right when you start. Alright. So now, just to make sure again, nothing in there. Starts up, you have been infected because we didn't remove it yet. So we're going to put this in there, start it up, antivirus activated, all potential viruses have been disabled, and then it goes back to this. And then to remove the virus, we can do delete startup. So what we wrote was something that just enabled us to manually remove the virus. And we can remove the floppy disk, shut down, open it back up, and we're gonna be fine. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial. I know it's not what I said it was going to be in Monday's video, but there were some complications, and I do want you guys to know that I will for sure be joining the Boomcraft server, run by Boomflex and Exemplified Gamer, and I should be posting a video of it tomorrow. What? No, Monday. Yes, Monday I will be posting my first video of that server with it there, with me there, and I will be doing a vanilla survival, but I will be doing it with a bit of a different goal than our Let's Play. And yeah, and also a little spoiler alert: what's coming up in the Let's Play, which I have been still gathering materials for what I'm going to do in the next episode, which hopefully will be out on Wednesday. We will be starting to build the house. Yay! So yeah, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you out. If you like this video and if it did help you out, please leave a like. You know, if you have any problems with the coding, just put that in the comments, you know, asking me, and I will help you out with that. I will get back to the comments. I will try to answer every single comment. Yeah, guys, there will be a subscribe button at the end of this video in the top left, I think. Yeah, there will be in the top left corner of the screen, and there's a subscribe button down below right now, and you can click on those, and that will notify you whenever I post new videos. So yeah, guys, once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Alright, so I just realized that I forgot to show you guys my finished antivirus program. So I went back to this computer, again, my computer room, my basement, and wrote up a just simplest virus program, not antivirus, virus program you can have that just shuts the computer off immediately. So kind of organize the chest. So I'll take in the finished version of DJ King's antivirus program. We'll actually start this computer up real quick, and then put it in the disk drive real quick. Edit disk / startup, so I can show you guys this code. So basically the way it is, I didn't do much organizing because this isn't going to be something that can be edited by, or that will be edited by the people that buy it on the server. But so anyways, it sleeps for a little bit, it activates the antivirus, you know, makes a space, blocking all activating antivirus, blocking all potential startup viruses, you know, all this stuff just for looks. Sleeps, done, and then it gets to where it's really doing something, which is removing potential startup viruses. So yeah, and it doesn't. So then what it does here is it does shell run delete startup. So what that does is it deletes the startup file of the computer. Like the way I built this virus is I edited the startup file of the computer to shut it off as soon as it runs it. So what this does is it deletes the startup file rather than just disabling it long enough so you can go in while the disk is in and delete it manually. This does it automatically. And it sleeps for a couple of seconds, and it says done. Then it sleeps for one more second. Then I've got this little thing that's this is how you organize things. You put 2 dashes. So if something has 2 dashes in front of it, it doesn't matter. So I use this to kind of tell myself what's doing what and, you know, where. Which I will actually show you that in a different tutorial. The next video I will show you will be of the login system. But so it's self-destruct. What it does is it makes a gap, then it says erasing disk, to give you a little bit of warning. And then it does shell.run delete. So just like the delete startup up here, it's delete and then comma, so we can put in the variable, and then we put in the file we want to delete, which is disk / startup. So it deletes the disk startup file, which is what we're looking at right now. So it can't run it again after it's done finished. So it sleeps, then it says done, and then it gives you this big thing, gives a big gap, you know, for 2 seconds, and it says to prevent any viruses of the future, protect your computer or with DJ King's, we'll scroll up here, with DJ King Security Co. Login Security V1 program, which you can find in the marketplace or by mailing AlphaDog13. Then it sleeps for 9 seconds, so you can read that, and then it does shell run clear, so it clears the screen. Sleeps for 1 second, then it does craft OS 1.3, which is what you see normally when you start up the computer. And that's it. So we didn't change anything, or at least I hope we didn't. So we'll just take that out. Shut down. I don't like to leave the computers running. And then, so we open up this computer, it's not working. There's nothing in the disk drive. So we're gonna load in the antivirus. It's going to go through its stuff. I could activate a thing. I could put in a variable that's an input variable that, you know, asks you if you actually, like, once it does, you know, it loads it up and it says, are you sure, or is this are you sure this is the computer you want to use this on, because it is only a one-time use thing. So this still says DJ King's antivirus, but if we But if it's in here, shut down. Oh, it will just load up normally. And if we do disk slash, if we do edit disk slash startup, we can see that the disk erased itself. Alright guys, so once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, rate, subscribe, although liking is rating. Alright guys, thank you for watching.